Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Always show icon never thumbnail setting in Windows 11 folder options isn't working. So first click open the file explorer and then click on three dot and then click to option, then click on view and uncheck or uncheck always show icon. Okay, depend your performance. Okay, and then apply and then okay, then close it, then click to start and type task manager, open it, then find out Windows Explorer, right click to restart, select and restart. Okay, and then it will start again and then close it. The next method, then click to start, type cmd and then right click to run as administrator and type this command and then hit enter. This command I will give you in descriptions or comment, then you can copy paste, otherwise you can enter manually. Okay, next method, this is rebuild the thumbnail cache manually. Okay, for this command. The next method, check visual effect setting, click to start, type run, open it, then type sys dmcpl, then click to ok. After that click on advanced and then click performance and click on setting. Make sure show the thumbnail, insert the icon. So this is required enable. Okay, and or disable if you want to the icon. So if you disable it, so it will show only icon. Okay, and then close it and then okay, apply to okay. And last and very important, repair Windows file, click to start, type cmd, right click to run as administrator, type this command sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. After that it will start the percentage and scanning and detect, and it will restore your system required files. And after that restart your system, this is compulsory, and then please check it. If your issue is not resolved, please check out the link, you can share your issue. Okay, thank you.